Okay, so this little video vignette thingy is how do we wire up the LED, and I have a video I recorded showing how I wired it up. So I'll press play, and you can see here I've got my Pi running, and now this is the LED light that we're going to use as the light source. We also need a resistor so that we don't burn out the LED, get it to the right voltage and amperage. The next thing that we're going to need is a male to female lead for the small little bits of voltage running through this. And that was the negative, and this is going to be the positive, just because color coordination. And then finally, here's the breadboard. And I've got a little overview about how breadboards work if you'd like to review that. So first thing I'm going to do is count out my pins, and I want pin 11. And as you can tell, one side is odd numbered and the other side is even numbered. And then that pin 11, I'm just going to pick a place, and that corresponds to GPIO 17, which is the Python code that controls that particular pin. And then I'm going to count down to pin 6 on the other side, and that's my negative lead. And I'm going to plug it into that blue strip, and that's negative. And then the next thing I want to do is plug in my resistor, and the resistor is going to connect down that line of holes that correspond, that are labeled 17, over to, I believe it was 18 or 19. And then I'm going to take my resistor and I'm going to plug into the next hole down from hole 18, and then I've got my little blinky light right there with all of that hooked up. So happy computing!